Let me show you one of my favorite quick meals, a cozy pea and sausage omelette. Let's start. I take one large sausage and slice it into little rounds. Then 2 eggs. I add a pinch of salt before whisking. That's my little secret to a softer, fluffier omelette. I've already poured the frozen peas straight into the pan, no need to boil them. Now a piece of butter in the middle. I push the peas to the edges and fry the sausage in the center on the butter, golden on both sides. Over the peas I sprinkle a little dry garlic for a gentle aroma. Once the sausage is browned, I mix everything together, level it out, and pour the eggs over the top. Now I cover it with a lid and let it cook gently, no flipping needed. The steam sets the top beautifully. When it's ready, I cut it like a pizza into 4 and stack the slices on top of each other. If you enjoyed my recipe, please subscribe. I wish you peace and goodness.